So the code starts at line 24 because main is the boss.
How is it the boss? When you say boss, BOSS, right?
Yes,
All right. How is it the boss?
because is the only function that calls all the other functions.
Okay. All right.
So the code starts at line 24 and calls line 19, which is defining the function main,
Okay.
which gets the code to start
Okay.
line by line.
All right.
So it goes down to line 20 to call the function get numbers,
Okay.
which and get numbers calls line 2,
Okay.
which it gets it to run its code and returns list of numbers
Okay.
back to line 20 to be
Okay.
saved in a variable named list of numbers.
Okay.
So after that, it goes to line 21, which
Mm-hmm.
calls the function calculate sum
All right.
with an argument of list of numbers, because the list of numbers is what we want to find the sum of.
Okay.
So it goes to line 10, it does its code and returns total
Okay.
to be saved in a variable named total.
Okay.
And it goes on to line 22 and
Okay.
calls display results,
Okay.
which takes it to line 16.
All right.
It goes its code, so it it prints the total.
Okay. So if we run this code now, will it work?
Yes.
So what number should we put in?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Yes.
Yay.
That was excellent. Not a single mistake.
Yeah.